Hey guys, my name is Arjun Toy, and today we're going to be learning about variables. So, what is a variable? Variables are used to store data in computer memory. In Python, there are four different types of variables: an integer, string, float, and boolean. The first one is integer. Integer is like a number, so you can store a positive number or a negative number. String. With a string, you can store a address, a name, a city's name, and float. With float, with float, you can do decimal numbers like 499, 299. And with boolean, you can do true or false. So now let's see how to use these variables in Python. We do name equal Arjun, and then after that we do print name, comma, type, and then after that we put name. So now let's see what happens when we run it. It puts name class str. That stands for string. After that we put age equal 9 because I am 9, and then we do print age, comma, type, age. So then when we run it, it does class int. That's int. That stands for integer. After that, we do float. Height equal, let's say 4.99. Print height type, and then height. So that's a float. So now let's do true or false. We result equal, let's say, true. Print result comma, type, result. So now let's see what happens when we run it. It does class bool, which stands for boolean. So now as an exercise, we have to swap two variables with each other. So first we have to declare variable num1 equal 10 and num2 equal 20. And temp and temp equals 0. So first we have to make temp 10. So temp equal num1, and we have to make num1 20. So num1 equal num2. And then after that, we have to store temp's value, which is 10 right now, to num2, which is 20. Num2 equal, num2 equal 10. So now we do print num1 and print num2. So num1 is first and it does 10. And num1 is first and num1's 10, but it prints 20. And num2 is second and it prints 10. Thanks for watching my video. If you want to see more videos, subscribe to my channel.